Dear students, good morning again and welcome. In last lecture, we had studied the conditions for forming the shadow. In this particular lecture, we will learn regarding characteristics of the shadow. Let us understand one by one, turn by turn. Students, you will see that I am holding the chair which is of red color. Please see. But when the shadow of that particular chair will be formed, it will be always dark, it will be always of black color. The second thing is, the second characteristic is the outline of the object. Students, you are able to see that I had wear spectacles. I am having the chair of red color. But whenever you will look at the shadow, you will only come to know the outline of that particular shadow.
Is always black, na sir?
Yes, it will be always of black color. Means you cannot see the detail of the object. Students, the third characteristic is the shadow is always formed on the opposite side of source of the light. So you can see here that the source of the light, projector, is in left direction. The light which is coming out of projector, it is on right direction. So hereby the shadow will always fall on the opposite direction of the source of light. The fourth characteristic is the shadow and size of the shadow is always dependent on the distance between object and opaque screen or opaque background. Let us see practically. If I take this particular chair to near the screen, it becomes small. But if I take it far, it becomes big. You can see this. Fifth characteristic is my favorite. It deals with the size and shape of the shadow. Size and shape of the shadow means in this particular picture you can see a girl and the type of shadow which is formed due to the changes in source of the light. My dear students, tomorrow also you have to do it. Practically the same thing. Observe your shadow at morning 9 a.m. at afternoon 12 p.m. and again at evening 5 p.m. and you have to see what are the changes that you are observing in your own shadow. You all have understood the characteristics of shadow. Kindly do the homework for tomorrow of observing your own shadow at 3 particular time which I had provided to you. Till then, stay home, stay safe, study online. We will meet again soon.